Good morning, boys and girls. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to your next class. Today we are going to learn a new letter. That is letter G. So are you all ready? Yes? Okay, so let's begin. So the letter which we are going to study today is letter G. G. This is capital G and this is small g. Capital G, small g. Kids, do you know the sound of letter G? The sound of letter G is G. G. There are many words starting with G. So let's look at some of them. G. Grass. G. Garden. G. Got. G. Game. G. Goodbye. G. Goose. G. Gorilla. There are some other words with the sound G. Let's look at them. G. Gum. G. Guests. G. Goal. G. Give. G. Got. G. Goldfish. So the sound of G is G. G. Now kids, let's look at one story of letter G. The name of the story is Gauri Meets a Giraffe. Gauri is a little girl. She loves to eat guava and grapes. Gogo the goat is her good friend. One day they met Guinea, the baby giraffe, sitting in the garden. "What are you doing here, Guinea?" asked Gauri. "I want to go to the green forest, but I cannot go alone," says Guinea. "Come, we will take you there," Gauri says. She gives Gogo and Guinea some grass to eat. They reach the green forest. Guinea is very happy. Let's recall some of the words. Gauri. G. Guava. G. Grapes. G. Got. G. Garden. G. Grass. Now I hope you all know the sound of letter G. Can you tell me? Correct. It is G. G. So now with this we finish our today's class. You all keep practicing the sound of G. And you also take care of yourselves. Goodbye everyone.